गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं फिर से चली आई आपका ही चैनल जिसका नाम है पूजा स्टेनोग्राफी एकेडमी पर। तो आप में से किसी दोस्तों ने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि मैं लीगल डिक्टेशन की 100 और 110 स्पीड के ऊपर डिक्टेशन अपलोड करूं, इसीलिए मैंने आज डिक्टेशन के ऊपर वीडियो बनाया है। तो चलिए आप शुरू करते हैं। Sindh High Court Judgment dated 24/7/2020, Part 4. Similarly, the employees and servants of establishment of subordinate judiciary district judiciary (Sindh Judicial Service) and that of courts and tribunal established under federal or provisional law, which are under the control superintendence of High Court of Sindh and functioning and discharging duties within the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court of Sindh per Article 203 of the Constitution 1973 are also guaranteed the same relief as is allowed through this order to the judicial officers referred to in Para 1 above in the same manner. Next para. In view of financial constraints of the provisional government of Sindh, we would direct that the arrears to the judicial officers of district judiciary, including judicial officers discharging judicial functions duty in courts, tribunal established under either federal or provisional law, with effect from 1st March 2010 to 30th June 2011, shall be paid in monthly installment together with and in addition with the monthly salary, with effect from 1st January 2012 till such time entire arrears with effect from 1/3/2010 are totally set off. Next para. Government of Sindh and Government of Pakistan are also directed to take steps and initiate such legislative measures as may necessary to empower High Court of the Sindh and or the Chief Justice of High Court of Sindh to fix service, including judicial officers and servants and employees of Sindh Judicial Service, in consonance with Article 203 and other enabling articles of the Constitution. Government of Balochistan versus Azizullah Memon, PLD 1993, SC 341, to fully secure financial independence and separation of judiciary from executive. Next para. Government of Sindh and Government of Pakistan are further directed to take such legislative measures as may be necessary to empower High Court of Sindh and or the Chief Justice of High Court of Sindh to appoint, determine terms and conditions of employment, emolument and disciplinary proceedings, removal from service and other incidental power of authority as regard presiding officers, servants and employees of High Court and tribunal established under the provisional and federal law, in consonance with Article 203 and in implementation of Article 175 (3) of the Constitution of Pakistan, which are under fly control and superintendence of High Court of Sindh and are functioning and discharging duties within the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court of Sindh as per Article 203 of the Constitution 1973 as per direction given in the case of Maharam Ali and other versus Federation of Pakistan and other, PLD 1998, SC 1445, and in case of Government of Balochistan versus Azizullah Memon, PLD 1993, SC 341. Next para, Register High Court of Sindh is directed to intimate Government of Sindh and Government of Pakistan to take immediate steps for the implementation and compliance of above order directive. तो दोस्तों ये था हमारा लीगल डिक्टेशन, जिसे आप घर बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा। और ये 100 स्पीड का, 110 और 100 स्पीड का होगा ये डिक्टेशन। इसे आप घर बैठकर प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा। और अगर कोई भी आउटलाइन लिखने में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा, तो मैं आपको आउटलाइन के ऊपर एक वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूंगी। ठीक है, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी।